Today, we are going to learn about the U.S. coins. There are 4 types of coins that we are going to be learning about today. The first coin is the penny. It is a copper coin, and it has the head of Abraham Lincoln on it. Traditionally, on the back, the penny had the Lincoln Memorial. In 2010, the back of the penny changed to the Union Shield. The penny is worth 1 cent. It is the least amount that all of our coins are worth. It is the smallest amount. The second coin is the nickel. Traditionally, on the front of the nickel, it had a side view of Thomas Jefferson. In 2006, the front of Thomas Jefferson's face is seen on the front of the nickel. The back of the nickel has always had the home of Thomas Jefferson, which is called Monticello. The nickel is worth 5 cents, or it is as many as 5 pennies. The third coin is the dime. The front of the dime has the head of Franklin Roosevelt. The back of the dime has 2 olive branches and a torch. The dime has never been changed in recent times. The dime is worth 10 cents, or is as many as 10 pennies. The fourth coin is the quarter. The front of the quarter has the head of George Washington. Traditionally, on the back of the quarter, it has the bald eagle. There are now 3 separate collections that feature different designs on the back of the quarter. The state quarters, one of them is pictured, the territory quarters, or the America the Beautiful quarters. The important thing to remember about the quarters is it always has the head of George Washington on the front. The quarter is worth 25 cents, or it is as many as 25 pennies. For practice, I would like you to complete the worksheet that is in your homework folder and pictured here. If you have any questions, re-watch the video and bring your questions to class tomorrow.